Hi, Dr. McKinnon here. This is just a little intro video to tell you all a little bit about my channel and why I'm making YouTube videos. So I've been teaching GIS for many years at the various different universities, and in 2020, when COVID started, I took the opportunity to start making YouTube videos, and I discovered that a lot of people besides my students were watching them. So the idea was to make a resource for my students at the university, because what I found was that we often have the same questions over and over again. GIS just has a lot of little finicky little tasks that it's easy to forget about where and how to access those things. You know kind of what you want to do, but you can't remember exactly how to get there. And since we were remote, students couldn't necessarily ask me in person the way we normally would in the classroom. So I created a series of videos with common tasks that you might need demonstrated. And I'm trying to continue that process and answer common GIS questions in my channel. So please like and subscribe if you want updated GIS content, you want your questions answered. Please also let me know if there's videos you would like me to make. I'm happy to make a video demonstrating whatever kind of GIS task you want. All right. Thanks very much, and see you later.